person. Intelligence. That's what we will measure with the Q&A. With the description of tact, wit, sensibility, and creative thinking, 30%. And of course, overall impact. That is appeal, charisma, and audience support. That is 15%. Okay? So, we would like to call on Grace, Miss Dirty Bantoto.
Alright guys, just to give you a little background about the question here, it was actually prepared by someone, not from the committee of the different teams. This is from something like a third-party service provider. So it's like bid with, you know, some sort of integrity. So, Dean, are you ready? Okay, here's your question. Alright, question. In symbols, a race traditional symbol of love and depending on their color can suggest different nuances of love. Red roses indicate passion and true love. Light pink suggests desire, passion, and energy. Dark pink suggests gratitude. Yellow roses can mean friendship or jealousy. A lavender or toneless rose can mean love at first sight. White roses mean virtue or devotion. Some roses even combine colors to create more complicated meanings. Here's the question. Now, spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You have to spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
50-50.
This is going to be a tough question, but the measure here is how our muses will answer and attack the question. Okay? It's not something strict and straightforward, but you have to make your own creativity here. Alright? So go ahead.
So, I spell the question. So, for me, it's letter C, letter O, letter L, letter O, letter R, and letter O, F, L, O, B. The color of love. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
It depends how you answer. It depends how you answer the question. Use your head.
Have you selected your question? Okay. MJ, right? Abia, this is your question. In algebra, by means of associative property, the equivalent expression of a plus 5b plus 2c, we get a plus 5b plus 2c equals a plus 5b plus 2c.
Depends kung paano ma-answer.
How many times do you have to take a bath in a year?
How many times I do take a bath a year? Well, every day I do take a bath twice only. So I'm gonna times it on 12 years. So definitely times. In a year. 24. Okay, we just actually take a bath in a day 24 times. 24. Sorry. 24 times in a day. In 12 years. In 12 months. Okay. Moving on.
Ano ka ba siyang mas malapit yung sagot ng ano namin?
May we call on Miss Grace Cloud of Blue Carding. Question. In chemistry, in order to write a chemical equation, we would balance all of the atoms on the left side of the reaction with atoms on the right side. CH4, methane, plus CO2, oxygen, and CO2, carbon dioxide, and H2O, water. What is the most delicious ingredient of kare-kare and why?
Yes! Woo! Peanut butter!
Of course, the most delicious ingredients that we have, ingredient of kare-kare.
You want to see a peanut? You want to see a peanut?
Thank you very much, Ms. Grace Laon, for your elaborate answer to the question. And now we call on our last contestant, Ms. Lynn Merano. Please get one question. Here's your question. In history, prior to Magellan's arrival, there were the Grito tribes who roamed the islands, but they were later supplanted by Austronesians. This group then stratified into hunter-gatherer tribes, warrior societies, petty plutocracies, and maritime-oriented harbor principalities, which eventually grew into kingdoms, rajanates, principalities, confederations, and sultanates. Please simplify the statement.